multiple squares. I can't draw out 40 squares. That's going to take me too long. I'm just going to write the number 40. And I'm going to write the number 5. Okay, now I want you to look up here where Cheyenne talked about getting that 15 by doing 3 times 5. Frankie, what do you think this is going to help me do right here? What should I do right here?
I think times 40.
What times 40?
40 times 3.
Yes.
I know it.
Then
Let's say 3 times 40. You know what that is in your head, Tyree?
Yeah.
What do you think?
120.
Great job, Terry. What did you do in your head to get 120?
40 times 5.
Oh, wait, 40.
I mean,
yeah, he's right by the 120.
Yeah, he is. But he did it in his head. I want to see what he did in his head just quickly. That's not the
3 times 40.
Yeah, and also, hey, what's 3 times 4, everybody? 3 times 4 is 12. Move it out one more place
20.
to 120. Yeah. Okay, so over here, what do I have over here, Frankie?
15.
Wait, Frankie's turn.
15.
But doing what?
3 times 15.
3 times
3
15.
times 5.
3 times 5 is 15.
15.
Okay,
15.
now watch what I write here. Equivalent expression. I'm going to actually write 2 equivalent expressions. The first one is going to be an expanded version of my multiplication. So I'm going to say this piece was 3 times 40, and this piece was 3 times 5. Great job following along and taking notes, everyone. Okay? Oh, let me write another equivalent expression.
How many y'all got it?
Well, at least 2 right here, because now I'm doing your 120,
Oh, divide.
and I'm saying 15, right? Okay, now ultimately, for this one, I can find the value,
135.
okay? Yeah, it's 135. Terry, quick, how did you know that?
120 plus 15.
Beautiful. Okay, so in the end, this area model can help us do some more challenging multiplication, okay? So we're warming up now. The last one has a variable in it, so I want to see what you do with it. We're going to work by ourselves or the partner until the big hand gets to the 4. So that's about 4 minutes. And you're going to do the same process for the other examples in this page. You can get started by yourself or with your partner. So Cheyenne is choosing to draw her models first and then go through and multiply. Or you can do them piece part by part one at a time. So now, what multiplication is here? 10. Wait, 10. Oh, look how we did it here. What did we do here? Beautiful. Okay, so what would I do here? I'm using this thing.
Oh,
This will be hard.
the third one?
Yep.
You can work together for the third one. It's the same process, you just have more pieces or more factors. And finish your multiplication with 2 times 20. Yes, but 2 times 10. So write that out to 2 times 10, and then you can write what it's worth. Great. Okay, let me see what you did for the third one. Just move this out of the way. Good job. Perfect. Oh, yeah. Great. Nice job, Terry. Okay, there's your 200. So 2 times 10 plus.
Three times 2 is 6. Then you put the 2 zeros.
Yeah.
600.
Nice. So you remember how to do those in your head.
50 times 3 is 115.
Perfect. 150. Just be careful. Yeah, you're moving out. Yep.
4 times 3 is 12, right?
Yep. Yeah, there you go. And now put the pieces back together
Try this
again.
one then. What are you gonna do? Don't be scared of it.
It's the same process, but you just have more factors.
600.
What do it? If it just did like this, what would you do? Start with that. Yeah, but you started just like that.
I got it. Hey.
Oh, you're writing so small.
How's it
Yes.
coming?
Hard.
You tackled up it. Oh, good.
Need help soon?
Yeah.
I got it. I'm just talking about for number 4 with the
Oh,
X.
yeah. It is hard.
So that start, same setup. Okay. What if X were just a number? What would you do?
They don't tell us what the number is.
They don't tell you, but you're actually
That X is a trick.
no. You don't know what X is. X is a mystery.
You don't have to use X.
You do have to use X, but you don't know what it doesn't matter. You don't know
Okay.
what it is.
Did you, if this were like this, how would you?
Okay, let's see who's trying to.
Right?
Is thinking about that last
So-
one. That's the most challenging, probably.
Oh, right?
Oh,
Now I'm not multiplying by 2 factors.
I know it. I know
What do
it.
you think?
I think it's gonna be remaining of this
What
number.
number's gonna go?
So I'm
Like
multiplying.
like this X,
Yeah.
then
Yeah,
X,
don't be scared of it. Don't.
5.
Just in. It's usually always just 5x.
Oh,
Perfect. Be ready
Got
to
it.
explain that.
Go through it now.
Great. Talk to Tyree about that one.
T. T.
Oh, there you go.
It's
Just
gonna be a
in
remainder?
algebra, we write it 5x, not x5. So just make sure you write it as 5x. Great. So now 2 people have figured out how to use the variable on the last one, and it's not as tricky as you think it is.
It's not
Just treat it like you would a number.
5. Oh, it
And now
goes
you stop. This is as far as you can go.
5,
Oh, I thought you were talking about this piece.
5.
Yo.
The little thing. 300.
You did 5 times 300. No, what'd you do to get the 300?
6.
Oh, just make sure. That's 60.
Yes.
Oh,
So you only need that.
now I get it.
Oh no, I'm sorry. You're right.
I
I
get
made
it
a
now.
That means 60.
Yeah,
That
you're
means
good.
5 times 60.
Yep.
60. 10
Just
plus
do it just the way you did. Be confident in yourself. You had it before.
Plus not only x.
5.
You're gonna do 3
Yep.
times the next thing, right?
So Miss Mickey,
Yeah, keep going. You got it.
There you go. But it's not just x because I still have 5 of them.
Oh,
So how do I represent that?
right, 5 X's.
Oh, it go 300. Your big model. Then it go plus. Then it go your remainder 5x.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and come back together. I want us to do the last one, and I'm not gonna explain how to do it. We're gonna have kids explain. So,
Okay.
first of all, I'm gonna draw some stuff up here, and then people will go up to the board. So, start with my area model. Okay, which factor goes on this side, the 5 or the 60 plus x? What am I supposed to write right here?
5.
5, good. Okay, so I do the same strategy as we've been using the whole time. How many pieces do I cut this into or break this into?
1.
1.
Wait, there's 2 factors.
But a
60
line
and
is
2.
1. That's why I was
Oh
talking
yeah,
about.
there's 1 line, you're right. Okay, so let me put the 60 over here and the x over here. Okay, at this point, now I need
300.
some students to go up to the board and fill in. And I want to start, ooh, excellent job. So I'm noting that we're all ready to take a risk with this. I want to actually start with Tyree because he made the connection, but we're all going to get a chance to explain at some point today. So Tyree, teach us how to fill this in.
The whole thing?
Yes. And if I didn't choose you to come up this time, don't worry, we have plenty of other problems today.
What I said, I know for the other ones, I had to, like, for the other ones,
Nice support, Xavier.
I had to, like, do the little thing.
But what
Or
are
the
you doing?
end times the
Yes.
top number, but for this model, I did 5 times 60,
Great, can you write it in for us, please?
the number.
Yeah, write in what you just told me.
And I said, this should be the remainder of x, and I just did this.
Okay, so let's be even more specific than that. Where is the 300 coming from?
6 times 5.
Okay, can you write that in for us too, please? How you got the 300? If you don't have room in the box, just write it underneath.
Oh.
Sorry.
Or
I'm
just
half
write
blind.
your math problem, how you got the 300.
Good. I'm half blind. I can't see that.
Write a bit your multiplication you did nice and large so everyone can see. Even the scholar that doesn't have his glasses anymore. Great. So that was for the 300. Now, the 5x is the part.
The part,
But it's not. Let's be careful. It's not a remainder. It's not like we're not using division right now.
but like any number, like right here,
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
any ref x is that number.
It's sort of like division. It's
So
sort of like.
wait. Let's pause for a second. I want to make sure we're clear on this. X is a mystery. I don't know what x is. It could be literally anything. There is no connection here. But x and 5. I don't know what x is. Okay, so don't think too much further than that. X is a mystery. But what I want to know, Tyree, is where is the 5x coming from? Or maybe someone else can help out. Let's hear from Tyree first. Where is the 5x coming from? Okay, say it in words too, so everyone can
I think
understand.
the
Yeah.
5x
I understand.
coming from is the 5 while I'm multiplying 60
Mm-hmm.
to go right here. Okay,
So you multiply 5 by 60, and then you also
put 5 and x in the second box.
great. So really quickly, hey, thanks Tyree for coming up and sharing. I just
Just have
want
to do the
us,
whole box.
yeah, I just need us to pause really quickly right here. So Tyree, let's cap the marker and grab a seat for right now. Okay, this is x. If I say 5x, how many blue bars do I have, everybody? 5. Okay, this is 5x. So here's what's happening. I said 5 times x, 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 x. 5 x's. That's 5 x's. Tyree showed us how to write 5 x's. This is how you will always see it when a variable is multiplied by anything. It'll be the variable and the thing that it's the variable and how many of them there are. Here there are 5 x's. Okay? So, what you all just learned, and we're gonna move on because I do want some people to explain the picture on this page. You all just learned something or reviewed something called the distributive property. Distributive property. Let's say that together really loud. Ready, go.
Distributive property.
Ooh, that's a hard word to say. Let's hear it a little bit louder. Ready, go.
Distributive property.
Distributive.
Oh,
distributive.
Property.
Property.
The distributive property.
The
Now we're-
distributive property.
So we just did it, but let's write down what it actually means so then you can know. The distributive property lets us multiply. We have been multiplying, right? So fill this definition in with me. Lets us multiply a single number or a variable, just like here. Here's my single number.
By 2 or more numbers
Or variables inside. Hey, does anyone remember what these things are called?
the parentheses.
Ooh, nice job. Parentheses. Let's
Parentheses.
draw them.
Oh,
I say that, right?
wait, this one.
Yes.
The person saying, you can't,
Parentheses.
parentheses?
Yes, exactly.
You can't, cause there's a, name called, please excuse my theory, so.
Ooh, yes, you're right. When we're talking about the order of operations, we work inside the parentheses first. That's a good remembering. So the variables inside the parentheses, this is how you spell the word. Here's a picture of them so you know what it means.
Parentheses.
Okay, drawing and what did we call this model again that we've been drawing?
The
Model.
Yeah, but what?
Air model.
Yeah, it has a special name right in here.
Please, I know everything.
Yep.